Two different but the same aesthetic color, but I finish it. The one is my sample, one is to go to the doctor's office. Okay, so this is a great example. Actually, as a miscommunications, we made two model and also two prosthetic, which is I'm stupid. This one is a regular implant site and custom abutment, and we all engage together. But this is the multi-unit, which is doctor did it, and I make the great hygiene honey. It's very good. This is a lingual view, so we're going to add here tissue too, and reset up the 4 teeth again, so make the individual looking. Same thing from exocat, so we made the monolithic zirconia. And then I can sponsor by from B&D Dental Technology in Utah. You see the our redesign, and there's 3 implants which is facially out, and then I'm trying to cover with the tissue, but hygiene as possible. So my goal is hygiene. So this is the our exocat design. So we're going to make chrome cover frame. And top of that, we made the individual single restorations. And then we make the good one by one the tooth. You see the aesthetics. It's like lifelike. It's like I showed you guys a picture. It's like it's very sophisticated design. This is our temporary, which is kind of we just covered it, but as you can see, the tissue is different, which is I understand that. So after we made the tissue same, color is good. I'm talking about the tooth color, but I have to change all here. Okay, that's the good information from Dr. Vargas too. The lower had a huge bone lost. Okay, the tissue is gone. The 3 implant, and doctors made it as a multi-unit abutment. Okay, and we fabricated temporary. Actually, this is what we trying to build from here to all this area. So, but my goal is trying to make the hygiene as possible, right? And then building the tooth setup. Okay, so all teeth set up here, which is the huge bone loss, right? That area is my goal. I have to do it then. So now is my mission is accomplished. All right. So now I'm going to cement it. Just I show them. You guys, I made so many YouTube video, so you can take a look at it, our video steps. I'm not going to show you this one, but it's more easier, and made the contact occlusion, and especially bone effects, the huge bone effect here, and then we solve the issue. Okay, so this is we call the Mini-SYTON 7-star case when patient has a multi-unit, because multi-unit sometimes they want to using the tie base is very small. They can do that, but we're going to fail because this is tall, and when they order tie base very little, and 2 problem. If I order the tie base separately, 3, and tie base will be fail. Okay, they're falling apart, and a couple years later, patient complained, I lose my bridge. And just tall, I have to make the good frame design just like this. Otherwise, you get a problem. So this is the chrome cover. All right, so I put the only porcelain. It's not composite at all. It's hard to do it. It's not many people can do. They can do it, but they can make this, just one color tissue. but not like the lifelike restorations. It looks like this. That's not our goal. That's why I'd like share with my YouTube channel. Appreciate it. As we made so many good. The video, excuse me, is not only social media, but also, see, this is a piece of art, right? Look at this lingual view. Is to make natural as possible. Okay, we make the good proportions, and then we're going to cement, so we won't break it. This is a mono, all right? So that was cool. Thanks for watching. My name is Luke from LSK121. See you later.
Pas de soleil, pas de soleil, pas de soleil, pas de soleil.